Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, it's nice coming around this sightseeing. Oh man. Guys, it's so fun out here, man. So fun, you know. As you can see.
So after a long week, I decided to take a break with my friends. So we visited the Seven Sisters, and it was a nice place to be. I will tell you, the fresh air from the sea, the relaxing environment. We were able to climb the cliff and really enjoyed ourselves. So if you want to if you want to relax in the UK, you want to go for a vacation, you are free to come to Seven Sisters. It's really a nice place to be, and bringing your family is totally free, but you are just going to pay for the car park. So it's totally free. You can bring your family and enjoy the environment. You can see the sea, so beautiful. We're able to have a fresh air, seeing the sea, and it's so relaxing.
So guys, I'm at the seaside and it's really cool here, man. I think you should visit here anytime you're in the UK. So one thing I love about this place is that you'll be able to relax and you see the beauty of the sea. Like you can see, this is the major tourist sites in this part of the world, and I'm really enjoying myself. Like seriously, I'm really enjoying myself.